if you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Xbox Series X. There are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. Install any available updates to ensure your console is optimized for performance. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. To do this, hold down the power button on the console for about 10 seconds until it fully shuts down. Unplug the power cord for a minute, then plug it back in and restart the console. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the resolution or graphics settings in the game options to reduce the load on the console, which can help eliminate stuttering. Step 4. Manage storage space. Ensure you have enough free storage space on your console. Go to Settings, then System, and select Storage. Delete any unnecessary games or apps to free up space, which can help improve performance. Step 5. Use a wired connection. For a more stable internet connection, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. This can reduce latency and improve overall performance, especially in online games. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in the performance of your Xbox Series X and enjoy smoother gameplay.